Hi friends, this is once again Excel Guru with the excellent Excel challenge has been given by my colleague. I'll show you the screen and I will explain the what is the challenge actually in Excel. It has to be done in 2010 version. So before I'm sharing, I request everyone to please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more challenges and MIS interview queries from the reputed companies in Hyderabad. Here is the screen. Okay, actually, what is the query? See, here, whatever the word we will send to the concerned person, uh, that will be the password, security code. Okay, suppose I am the one person I'm sending to you. So I'll send you Excel. Means the password is not Excel. It is this code 39235 is the password. Okay. This is I don't want to reveal this type of things, where it is working, all those things. It's top confidential. For that reason, I don't want to reveal any other things more than this. Okay. It's a password. Whenever we enter any word, suppose I send a word to you like Excel. So password is not Excel. It is this one. Okay, 39235 is the security code to open the whatever it may be website, app, documents, videos, whatever it may be. Okay, this all things explained by my colleague. Why? What are the things here? It is all right. So here, before going to start, I will show you one thing. Later, I will tell you the whole formula. Right. What I'll do here is equal to mid of this. No, not now only. I will do one thing. Row of indirect start one ampersand the length of this. Okay, it will show you like this. Okay. Why I'm using this one? How I can apply this in functions to get that code F9 on 2345. Okay, so what I'll do here, I use a len function, len of this minus. Okay. Why I'm doing, I'll explain you later. Okay, F9. So it will show you like this 4320, 43210. Just I did a reverse. Okay. Actually, it was 12345. Now it became 43210. It became a reverse. Okay. Now what I'll do, I use 10 to the power of this. Okay. Now what it will become? It will become 5 digits are there. So F9, see. 10,000, 1,101. Okay. Simply I simply I add this one. Later I will show you some product. Later I will show you why I'm using this thing here. What are the use of this function? Okay. Now observe clearly what I'm doing means mm, mid of it's going to be a long more than 10 to 15 minutes. So be patient and watch till end. Then only you can able to understand what are the functions I'm using, why I'm using, in what way we have to apply in this function. Mid of this, comma, row of indirect. I'm separating each and every word. That's it. I'm not this one. So it will separate each and every word separately. Okay, comma one. One character separately. Okay, F9. See, Excel is there. Where Excel is there in third, in three. Okay, X is in here, ninth position. C is in where C in second position. So the 39235 is the answer. Okay. you have to pick up those numbers where it occurs in keypad. Okay, this is the question actually. Okay, again I'm repeating. You have to pick up the numbers where it occurs in on keypad. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now what I'll do? I will search of this whole thing, the separate characters, comma, where I want to see. Here I'm using ABC. It may be small or because I'm using search, so no need of any case sensitive characters. It may be a small or it may be a big. ABC, DGF, GHI, comma, GHI, JKL, comma, MNO, comma. Here four characters are there. PQRS. Again, TUV, again, WXYZ. Okay, close. Alright. Right. I'm closing another bracket for the search. So here what I am doing, I am searching these characters in this. Okay. So I press F9 to show you the what is happening over there. F9. So I'll start from here. F9. So it will pick up the positions of the character where it occurs. Okay, where it occurs. See here, actually, what it is there? First one ABC, again DEF. In DEF, second position is E, and again X. In X position, in WXYZ, second is the X position. For that reason, it is showing X over here, 2 over here. Understood what I mean to say? I'm separating each and every character and searching like this. Okay, understood? Now, what I'll do here, if I'm interested only in numbers, so you have to use is number. Okay, is number. If you find any number in this, then what you have to do, comma, again, starts from 2. Okay, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4, comma, 5, comma, 6, comma, 7, comma, 8, comma, 9, still 9. Okay. They will send only, see, they will send only the words, not any special characters. Okay. They will not send you any special character. They will send only the words. From that word, you have to find out the code. That is nothing but security code. I don't want to reveal. My friend explained each and everything, so I don't want to reveal where it will use. Right. Close parenthesis. Okay. See, again, I have to close over here for each number. Wherever it finds the number, it will show us the true and remaining are all falses. Right. Let's see. F9. Okay, I thought. If is number, close parenthesis. Let me check whether it's working. Logical test. Value true. So remove one bracket from here. So is number. Logical test. If you find any number, okay, where pick up the corresponding digit from that number. Okay. So here, let's see. F9. Again, I have to close one bracket over here, I think so. Where it went wrong, why it's showing error. Logical test. Value true is not coming. Is number, close parenthesis. Okay. close parenthesis, close parenthesis. That's it. Again, okay. Remove parenthesis. Somewhere I went wrong here. Remove parenthesis. For logical test. Value true. Value false. We doesn't need. For that reason, I'm leaving that one. It has to come. Why it's not coming? Any flower bracket. Close. Yes, correct only. Value of true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Right, okay. Why it's not coming then? Too many arguments. So somewhere when too many arguments means somewhere I have missed somewhere. Mm-hmm. Logical test correct only. Value is true, correct only. Value false. So somewhere I went wrong here. Yes, I forgot one thing. Find text within text. Okay. So again here you have to close one bracket for value. Yes, logical test. This is the logical test. Value is true. What does it need? False. F9. See. The third is the key. Okay, third is the key you have to press to get that word. Right. As per word, third is the three. E. Here E is there. See. X. X where it is 9. See 9. And C is in here on second number key on old keypad. Okay. Control Z. Now, previously I explained you why I am using this one. I just press enter. I copy only this part. Array 1. Okay. Control C. Escape. F2 into control V. Okay. F9. 3. Now simply you can use some product. For that reason I used this one. Okay. This type of thing I have used to get to club all those numbers in one cell. For that reason I have used this one. Now simply use sum or sum product. It's an array function. You have to use control shift and enter sum product. Okay. Enters. See when control D. See whenever I enter any word and I will send to the concerned person, so they have to enter that word for the password to access any certain documents, videos, websites, apps, XYZ, whatever it may be. Okay, for that reason, it's very, very confidential. So I don't want to reveal all those things. My friend, my colleague explained all those things. So sorry for that. And here is the that one. If I type Apple, suppose Apple is the password. Enter. So what? Apple is not a password. This is the password. 27753 is the password for the document. Okay. This is very, very, very complicated, logical, confidential challenge. Okay. If you have any more doubts, you can ask me in my comment box or in my WhatsApp or Excel Telegram group. I'll mention those both things here. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And for more videos, you have to click on bell icon, subscription. Later, you have to click on bell icon whenever you get whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification for that.